Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're checking out the top 3 best indoor grill with air fry that bring crispy, delicious meals right to your kitchen. From frozen to ready meals to versatile cooking functions, these grills make cooking fast and fun. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 3, we have the George Foreman Beyond Indoor Grill with Air Fry. The George Foreman Beyond Indoor Grill with Air Fry is designed to bring the taste and experience of outdoor grilling right into your kitchen. This versatile appliance offers 7 distinct cooking functions, including grilling, air frying, roasting, baking, slow cooking, broiling, and keeping food warm. With these options, it can handle everything from crispy air-fried vegetables to perfectly roasted meats, all in one compact device. At the heart of this grill is IntelliGrill technology, which combines dual heating elements with optimized airflow to cook food up to 65% faster than traditional indoor grills. This ensures that meals are prepared efficiently without compromising flavor or texture. The grill also reaches an impressive 500 degrees F, allowing you to achieve a professional-level sear on meats and other foods without the need to flip them, giving dishes a restaurant-quality finish with minimal effort. One of the standout features of the George Foreman Beyond Indoor Grill is its ability to cook food straight from the freezer. There's no need to defrost meats or vegetables beforehand. Meals can go from frozen to fully cooked in just 22 minutes. This makes it an ideal solution for busy households or anyone looking to save time without sacrificing quality. Compact yet powerful, the Beyond Grill combines innovation, convenience, and versatility. Its combination of high-temperature searing, rapid cooking, and multiple functions makes it more than just a grill. It's a complete indoor cooking system capable of handling a wide range of recipes. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight dinner or experimenting with gourmet dishes, the George Foreman Beyond Indoor Grill with Air Fry delivers flavorful, evenly cooked results with minimal effort, bringing the joy of grilling indoors year-round. Next up, at number 2, comes the Elite Gourmet EAF 2411G Indoor Grill with Air Fry. The Elite Gourmet EAF 2411G Indoor Grill with Air Fry is a multifunctional kitchen appliance designed to bring versatility and convenience to your cooking. With an 11-liter capacity, this stylish digital grill features a heavy-duty die-cast grill insert and a non-stick air frying and dehydrating rack, allowing you to prepare meals quickly, safely, and with less oil compared to traditional cooking methods. Equipped with 8 preset functions, including pizza, dessert, bread, seafood, chicken, steak, fries, and dehydrate, the EAF 2411G simplifies meal preparation. Adjustable timer and temperature settings give you full control, whether you're baking a 10-inch pizza, roasting a whole chicken, or grilling steaks to perfection. Its spacious interior accommodates large cuts of meat and a variety of ingredients, making it suitable for family meals or entertaining guests. This indoor grill emphasizes healthy eating by allowing you to grill and air fry with little to no oil. The result is crisp, flavorful meals without the extra calories typically associated with fried foods. From tender chicken and fish to crispy vegetables and homemade jerky, the EAF 2411G supports a wide range of cooking styles, including baking, roasting, grilling, and dehydrating. To help users make the most of its capabilities, the appliance includes a guide and 25 recipes, providing inspiration for delicious, health-conscious meals. Whether you're preparing everyday dinners or experimenting with new dishes, the Elite Gourmet EAF 2411G Indoor Grill with Air Fry offers a practical, efficient, and versatile solution for modern kitchens. And finally, taking the number 1 position, it's the Ninja DG551 Indoor Grill with Air Fry. The Ninja DJ551 Indoor Grill with Air Fry redefines countertop cooking with its innovative design and versatile functionality. As part of the Ninja Foodie Smart XL grill line, it combines an indoor grill and air fryer in one sleek appliance, offering the convenience of multiple cooking methods at the touch of a button. Central to its performance is the Smart Cook system paired with a precision thermometer, which allows users to cook proteins to exact doneness levels, ranging from rare to well done, with 4 protein settings and 9 customizable doneness levels. This system eliminates guesswork, ensuring consistently perfect results. Cyclonic grilling technology brings restaurant-quality grilling into the home, using 500 degrees of hot cyclonic air alongside a 500-degree grill grate to achieve char-grilled marks and enhanced flavor. The grill supports 6 versatile cooking functions, including grill, air crisp, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate, made possible by a wide temperature range. Its air frying capability reduces fat content by up to 75% compared to traditional deep frying, thanks to the included 4-quart crisper basket. The smoke control system minimizes kitchen smoke through a combination of a temperature-controlled grill grate, splatter shield, and cool air zone, allowing indoor grilling without overwhelming odors. The grill also handles frozen foods efficiently, transforming them into perfectly char-grilled meals in under 25 minutes. Cleaning is simple, with a ceramic-coated removable grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot that are all dishwasher-safe and free from PTFE and PFOA. With 1,760 watts of power and 120 volts, the Ninja DG551 indoor grill with air fry delivers high-performance cooking in a compact, easy-to-use package, making it a versatile and convenient addition to any kitchen. Cooking made effortless. Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite indoor grill, and like and subscribe to Tech Product for more kitchen gadgets, reviews, and tech tips.